French possessive adjectives. Today we'll look at possessive adjectives in French. It is not your pen, it is my pen. Our aim is to learn how to use possessive adjectives in French. First question, what is a possessive adjective? A possessive adjective describes who possesses a noun, i.e. it is my pen, it is your book, it is his shirt. And here we see the possessive adjectives in French. These words come before a noun, and I've colour-coded them to help you to remember them. The most important thing to remember is that possessive adjectives in French are determined by the gender and the number of the noun and not the person who owns them. For example, I'm a man, but if I owned a shirt, I would say ma chemise, because the shirt is feminine singular. The word for a shirt is feminine in French. Okay, so let's have a look at them. I've colour-coded in blue for masculine nouns or words that begin with a vowel or an H, whether they're masculine or feminine. Red for feminine singular nouns, and green for masculine and feminine plural nouns. And here we have them. Mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, ses, notre, nos, votre, vos, leur, leur. Notice how the last three are all said the same despite the presence of an S at the end. It is silent. Copy this down so you can use it for your future learning. In these examples you need to establish the gender of the noun and then write the correct possessive adjective in the blank provided. And remember, to find the gender you need to look up the word and it will say either NM or NF. Noun feminine or noun masculine. Par exemple, numéro 1. Her, and you need to put it with the word crayon. Now if you look up crayon you'll find out it means pencil and it is masculine singular. So, numéro 1, son crayon. Although it is her, you'd use son because crayon is masculine. Pause the recording now and then complete the activity. And when you go through the answers, remember to correct any mistakes that you make to help you learn from your mistakes. Numéro 2. Votre pantalon. Your trousers. Although trousers are plural in English, in French the word pantalon is singular. Numéro 3. Sa chemise. Again, chemise is feminine, so his must be in the feminine form as well. Numéro 4. Mes lapins. My rabbits. Numéro 5. Tes chaussures. Your shoes. Tes chaussures. Numéro 6. Notre jardin. Notre jardin. Now translate these phrases by using a dictionary, if you need to, remembering to ask yourself the important questions. Is the noun masculine or feminine? Is it singular or plural? Par exemple, numéro 1. His car. Sa voiture. Because the word for car is feminine, you would need to use sa. Use a reference chart if you need to, but try and do it without it. See if you can remember it from the patterns. Mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, for those first three. Pause the recording and complete the activity, and then when you self-mark your work, remember to check any mistakes and correct them so you can learn from them. Numéro 2. Your computer. Votre ordinateur. Numéro 3. Our book. Notre livre or notre cahier. Un livre is a published book, for example a novel or a textbook, whereas un cahier is an exercise book. Numéro 4. Mon pantalon. Numéro 5. Son argent. Numéro 6. La maison. Numéro 7. Ta bouteille. Numéro 8. Mes vêtements. Correct any mistakes you may have made so you can learn from your mistakes. How did you get on? Today we've looked at French possessive adjectives. It is not your pen, it is my pen. and our aims were to learn how to use possessive adjectives in French. Très bien. Au revoir.